Hi guys, I guess you have been seeing this sculpture all over the internet and everywhere, but sincerely, is it really worth the hype? The new pine forest called Unity Park, is it really worth the hype? So I'm going to give you a detailed tour of this pine forest, and I want you to give me a feedback on what you think about it. Is it worth it or is it not worth it? Let's go.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
If you are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. You are the real MVP. And I'm not here alone actually. I'm here with my wife and my son. So you're going to be hearing their voice. I'm going to be seeing them at the background. Yeah, he's actually laughing. He's actually laughing at the background. So let us know your comment at the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. So let's see what the park is all about. So guys, this is Unity Park, formerly known as Pine Forest Enugu. So firstly, we'll be showing you the lion. In fact, this
is like the
sculpture
highlight.
is something else. I don't know who brought the idea of the sculpture, but the artist who did it also was so good. Like
This is really huge, like
big.
way taller than me. I don't know how I can explain it. This
So
is so
big.
huge.
Like there are offices inside.
So you can see there are doors leading in. So if you take these doors up, you will come out through the mouth.
Yeah, these are the balls. These are the balls of the lion. This is the tail of the lion. So huge.
It's like a big tree stem. From what I'm seeing, it seems like people are already coming here for get together because I can see trash.
I think we came a bit early today. So
This is a Sunday morning,
we came early so we could just capture
the place before it becomes
so it
crowded.
becomes easy. So, yeah, that is the mouth of the lion. You can see his nostrils are so big. His tongue, you can even lie on his tongue.
So I think if you come up to this doors, you get
There's a staircase
you
that
come out
takes
to the
you
mouth.
up.
So guys, it's not just the lion here. There are
There are
also
a
some
lot
other
of
things that
other
might catch
things.
your attention.
Yeah. Video that bridge.
I think this, in an ideal situation, water is supposed to be flowing through. So,
But you know Enugu is dried when it comes to water.
and this is even Harmattan period, so everywhere is dry. And even if you take a look at this mini lake also, it's not really looking good, probably because of the season and maybe it's not maintained properly too. This is supposed to be, but for now the water is dirty. So it's not just the lion sculpture that's here. There are also other sculptures, of which this is another beautiful one. So this park is really big. Though. Park is very big.
And the pond, beyond this pond, they still have other pond. And they have mini like canoe or canoe like me.
Many canoes.
That
So these are some of the canoes.
coming to think of it, I think some kind of games can be done here. They can host some certain kind of event here. As you can see, this is a love pool site for two. Yo, miracle. We are by the waters. So I think some games can be hosted here actually.
what are your recommendations for this place? What do you think can be done to, you know, further enhance it and make it look more catchy, you know, more inviting?
I think for now, I think they have the space, they have the environment, they have the ambience and everything. I think they need to employ more staff, that is one. And two, they need to do things like either hut or canopy-like stuff around some part of the forest, and also introduce a bar, a restaurant.
Yes, I think a bar or restaurant will invite
so that,
people more, because now, in as much as the environment is cozy and all, but then thinking about carrying your food, carrying your drinks, or will you just come and sit down? No music, nothing. I think a little bar somewhere inside would really help.
So the place is very well lighted at night, so having a bar and a restaurant inside will really help, and it will not just be a daytime place. People can also have to relax at night here and just chill some time. So that's it. And also they need to create more sitting space here, because from what I can see, the sitting space they have inside is okay, but not so much. Only their children's section. To the children's session.
There's really so much more to be done here to
So
make it look interesting.
and the tag is children only.
So guys, this is basically it. This is basically the whole of
Pine forest.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, let's know what you think about this video. Let's get your comments, let's get your feedback. What do you think can be done to enhance the place? Will you be visiting this place, and what will be your plans when you are coming here? Let's get your comments in the comment section.
Yeah.
So guys, we'll catch you on our next video. Bye.